Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a fun contact lens review from Pinky Paradise. I actually saw them on Instagram when I was on my cosplay account and I slid into their DMs and was like, hey, would it be possible to do a product exchange for a review? And they were like, yes. So here we are. We have been testing these out all week and I have the full shabam-a-lam review for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright, so they sent me all the goodies in this super cute pink bubble mailer. Everything was nicely wrapped and packaged so nothing was gonna break. The lenses were all like bubble wrapped, kind of foamy wrapped. Nothing was gonna break there, and they all came with these super cute like colorful animal like lens caps. I think that's the cutest little details. You can't stack them, but it's worth it for the cute. This was also a bonus pair of lens which I got to try, which later on in the video I'm going to be showing you guys kind of like a wearability test. So I had them on for an entire day, well, at least my work day, but let's start with the main three reviews. Okay, so I've had the contacts in since about 7:40 so far, and it was so far so good. We weren't feeling any discomfort. I checked in around again my lunch break. We were still feeling good, especially since we were having pancakes. We love pancakes. And then we checked in one last time when we got home, and around this time I did decide to take them out just because I have other things that I had to do this evening, but I could have gone for another few hours.
Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Pinky Paradise was super awesome and they hooked me up with a discount code for you guys so you can use CheekySparkles10 for 10% off your order. But that is all I have for this video. Thank you again, Pinky Paradise. I love these lenses. The purple ones are probably my favorite. They're so cute and I'm so happy that they're wearable. Like I can wear them for a whole day. If you go to a convention, they are magnifique. Anyways, that's all I have for this video, guys. I love you a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!